In the past 2 years, the way we learn has changed a lot, and today we can learn and improve our English even when there's no teacher around. And when we work as a team, we can learn more and even develop important life skills for the future. So in this video, I'll give you 3 ways to learn successfully as a team online. Let's go! There are lots of activities you can do as a team that don't necessarily happen during class. Your teacher might suggest you do research on a specific topic and present to the class. And this can be done as a group. The first thing you should do is plan and assign roles so everyone knows what they should do. You can use instant messaging apps like WhatsApp, Google Chats, or Microsoft Teams chats and ask your team members questions like, what would you like to do today? What are you good at? Does everybody have a role in the assignment? You can send texts or audios while you assign roles. It's important everyone is heard and you decide as a group. After roles are assigned and everyone has done their part, it's time to prepare a presentation. There are so many new tools to collaboratively create great presentations, such as Google Slides or Canva. On these online platforms, all team members can work on the same presentation at the same time. This is great to learn more English and to develop important life skills like to think creatively and work as a team. Something that is extremely important in teamwork is giving peer feedback. This is when you tell your team members what you thought about their ideas and development during the project. Giving and receiving feedback are one of the best ways to learn and improve. In the past, the teacher mostly did it, but now in the online scenario, you can give and receive feedback to and from your teammates. This means you should think about what you can say to help other teammates improve and how to recognize what they did well. You can use phrases like, I enjoyed what you said about, or I thought you did really well with, or even, I think you should work on, when it's something that the person needs to improve. Learning online means more freedom to do it at your own pace, but it's important to take responsibility for your learning and help your team improve as well. Share ideas on what you do to learn better and stay on top of your responsibilities. Sharing experiences is a great way to help team members who are struggling with this. Look for a tool that can help you and your team in the learning process. The Cambridge Dictionary Plus app that just launched is a great free tool to learn new vocabulary and share word lists via WhatsApp and email with your friends or classmates. Once you have finished a project, be sure to reflect on your performance. You could ask yourself questions like, what did you do well that you can do even better next time? What do you need help with? What can team members count on you for in future projects? You can also discuss as a group via messaging apps what went well and what could be better. That way you can reflect both as an individual as well as a team. Well, those were my 3 tips to help you learn successfully as a team online. Take advantage of technology and use these tools and resources to improve your English and important life skills for the future. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big like and share it with your team members so you can all start practicing these tips. And be sure to subscribe to the channel to learn much more online. And let me know in the comment section if you have any other tips to improve online team learning. I'll see you soon. Bye!